Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassandra Scove and I teach third grade reading in Texas. And I like to share books and hope that you all find something that you like to read or something that some of your kids might like to read. The book I want to show you today is called The Next Best Junior Chef, Episode 1, and it's by Charise Harper. I think I'm saying that right. I hope so. Anyway, this book is really, really cute. I have a couple of kids in my class who like to cook, and they take like the cooking class after school, so I know they will love it. It's about 4 kids, and they go to this cooking show, and it kind of walks you through their experience and how they compete with each other and who gets eliminated at the end. It's a really, really good book. It's got lots of recipes in it and things and challenges that they have to do, and it also shows them forming a friendship with each other as well. So it's a fun book. If you have anybody in your life that loves to cook, they will really enjoy this book. And it's a series, so we have to find out who gets eliminated in episode 2, because this is episode 1. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for coming today. Have a wonderful day.